To add a newsletter pop-up in Shopify, you will need to access your Shopify admin panel. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the online store section. In this section, you will find the Themes option. Click on it and then select the Actions drop-down menu next to your current theme. From the drop-down menu, click on Edit Code. This will take you to the code editor where you can modify your theme files. In the code editor, you need to create a new snippet. To do this, click on the Add a New Snippet button and name it Newsletter Popup. In this snippet, you will add the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for your newsletter pop-up. The HTML code will define the structure of your pop-up. The CSS code will style your pop-up and the JavaScript code will handle the functionality of your pop-up. Once you have added the code to your snippet, you need to include it in your theme layout file. To do this, click on the Layout folder and open the Theme Liquid file. At the bottom of this file, add the following code to include your snippet. After including your snippet, you need to add a form to your pop-up that will allow customers to subscribe to your newsletter. You can use the Shopify form action to create a form that will capture customer email addresses and add them to your newsletter list. To customize the appearance and behavior of your pop-up, you can modify the CSS and JavaScript code in your snippet. You can change the background color, font, and other styles to match your brand. You can also set a delay or a specific page where the pop-up will appear. Finally, to test your newsletter pop-up, click on the Preview button to see how it looks on your storefront. Make sure to test it on different devices and browsers to ensure it is working as expected. By following these steps, you can add a newsletter pop-up to your Shopify store and start collecting email addresses from your customers. This will help you to build a list of subscribers who are interested in your products and services. And you can use this list to send them targeted marketing campaigns and promotions.